This house was built for someone with style. Terrazzo floors, vaulted ceilings, and a kitchen that belongs in Architectural Digest. Some homes check the boxes. Others create a feeling you don't want to leave. 505 Fiddlewood is that kind of home. Step outside to a marble patio, saltwater pool and spa, and canopy of palms that makes you forget there's a world out there. This backyard doesn't just look good, it feels like somewhere you'd pay to stay. Contemporary oak cabinetry, open shelving, quartz counters, Thermador Sub-Zero appliances, mid-century done right. Central Beach means oak canopied streets, shopping at the boutique shops, enjoying oceanside dining and sunset cocktails, or listening to live music at Riverside Theater. You can walk to all of it. I do it every day. I live 2 minutes from here, so I know every street, and I can tell you there's no other home like 505 Fiddlewood in Central Beach. I'm Kathleen Pogany with the Reynolds team. Come and see this gem in person.